In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bank from Zoho Books. First, go ahead and open your Zoho Books account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business account. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong place. After that, look over to the main navigation menu and click on Banking. This section is where Zoho Books keeps all of your connected bank accounts, bank feeds, and related financial records. If you've linked multiple accounts, you'll see a list of them here, so it's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm which one you want to remove. Next, find the specific bank account you want to delete and click on it to open it. Be careful at this stage, because deleting the wrong bank account can create confusion later, especially if you use several similar accounts for different purposes. Once you open the correct bank account, you'll be able to view its details and the available actions connected to it. From there, look for the option to delete the bank account. When you see that delete option, click it to proceed. Zoho Books may show a confirmation prompt before the action is completed. If that happens, read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether the action affects any existing records or bank feed connections. Then, confirm the deletion if you're sure you want to continue. One useful tip here is to double-check that you no longer need the account before deleting it. In many cases, users remove a bank account because it's no longer active. It was added by mistake, or they want to replace it with an updated connection. Taking a second to verify this can help prevent accidental changes. And that's it. Once confirmed, the selected bank account will be deleted from Zoho Books. If the account doesn't delete right away, take another look at the bank account page and make sure you selected the correct option. Also, if you don't see a delete button, it may depend on the account's current setup or activity inside Zoho Books. That's the full process for deleting a bank from Zoho Books. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to remove the account without any trouble.